Breaking now for Juan. I got one 2013-14 Innovation Basketball Hobby Box live break. Good luck, man. 13-14 Innovation Basketball. Take your own. Factory sealed. Good morning, everybody. Let's send those orders in. Breaking live till 4 or later today, as usual. Every day but Wednesday. Late on Wednesday. What do we got right here? We got Brooke Lopez. Jersey swatch D Wade. Out of $2.99. Spencer Hawes for the Cavs. Out of $2.25. Steve Blake auto for the Warriors. Out of $1.99. Starters card, Irving, Varejao, Jack Thompson, and Dang. And out of $1.99, Kevin Durant. Out of $1.99, KD. All right, thanks for the break, man. Also, thanks for buying some spots. Good luck in the upcoming breaks today. Thanks, bud.